It's a hot Thursday in the Eastern Cape with thunderstorms expected over the eastern part of South Africa. Hot and dry weather is forecast over the interior on Friday, other than a few thunderstorms along the eastern escarpment. On our satellite, you'll see low cloud and fog move in along the west coast on Thursday morning, with a number of large active thunderstorms forming over the central, southern and southeastern interior late on Wednesday evening. Much of that cloud has cleared out on Thursday morning, but you'll still see some of it remaining over the eastern interior, with scattered thunderstorms expected over that part of South Africa on Thursday. Isolated thundershowers are expected over the eastern half of the country, with a dry day for the majority of Limpopo as well as along the west coast, but we're expecting some rain or drizzle along the southern coastline of the Western Cape on Thursday night. On Friday, partly cloudy and dry weather is forecast for the majority of the interior, other than thundershowers over the eastern interior extending through to KwaZulu-Natal. We're also expecting rain along the southern and southeastern coastline, with a partly cloudy and warm day over the western part of South Africa. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating, with runaway fires possible in the shade of red on Thursday. They've also issued a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms with potentially large hail and damaging wind over the interior part of the Eastern Cape. Here's our rainfall probability map, with scattered thunderstorms expected over the eastern interior. Isolated thundershowers are expected as we head towards the Northern Cape and the Eastern Cape coast, with a 40% chance of light rain or drizzle over the southern part of the Western Cape, mainly on Thursday night. Wind-wise, we're expecting a northeasterly wind along the east coast, with a northeasterly component to the wind over the eastern part of South Africa, windy over the eastern part of the Northern Cape, with a moderate north-northwesterly wind for Cape Town. 36 is your daytime high in Uppington, and we head into the low 30s for Kimberley and Mahikeng. It's a warm day in the northeast with daytime highs in the upper 20s, 33 degrees with a hot forecast for Bishu and Richards Bay, and then 26 as we head towards Cape Town. Overnight, we're expecting chilly conditions in the west with a minimum temperature of 11 degrees for Sutherland, 16 for Cape Town and Vredendal, 12 as we head into Springbok, and 19 for Port Elizabeth, and a minimum in the low 20s along the coast from East London through to Richards Bay. 15 degrees for Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, and Mahikeng and Pretoria drop to 17 degrees overnight. Dry and hot weather is forecast over much of the interior on Friday, with thundershowers over the eastern interior as well as all the way through to the east coast. We can expect some drizzle for George at 22 degrees with rain along the Eastern Cape coastline, and then on Saturday rain extends along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, with thundershowers returning to the northeast, but with a partly cloudy and hot day over the western parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.